Bless your heart. I understand. Just because of that, I'm going to use my ammo carefully. I'm gonna rely on that monster strength, y'all, because we ran out of ammo. We weren't paying attention. Oh no.
Sorry, that was my bad.
Nah.
It was right there for so long. I was like, yes. Hey, Zenogre, I'm so glad you have a cool theme to die. You're way easier than Stygian.
I could have question.
Nice.
Nice.
Good thing grappling is the thing. I'm trying to be conservative with this.
Damn, he's having a bad day.
It's about to get a lot worse. Right.
Sweet dreams, little puppy. I hope you have them. Oh god. You shot him.
I might make the bow gun. Figure out a bow gun build. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Cause I don't need to make all these.
I just lost sharpness. I had purple this whole time, which is wow.
Yeah, they are a small amount. It's basically a raw weapon.
Yeah, but like the files are like impact or power.
Yeah, pretty much a raw weapon.
Zenogre is 100% gonna be in Rise.
Oh. Oh, of course.
I hope Amatsu shows up too.
What the hell?
I didn't even look at the gun lance.
Oh no! The flying legendary from Portable Third. Or
the gun lance looks amazing.
I'm not sure which one it showed up in. I think it's Portable Third. Yeah, it is Portable Third, because the story of Zenogre is that Amatsu took over the hills where Zenogres are from and drove the Zenogre out, which is why we even had to hunt.
The Gajalaka gun lance.
It's the wind and rain dragon. It's like a Leviathan that's in the sky.
Dodo Gamma Mandible.
Amatsurigatsu.
Mike, we have 2 monsters left. I don't feel so good about this. We weren't paying attention and didn't know this is an arena quest, so we didn't.
I knew it. I just expected you guys to pick up the slack.
Oh my god.
You know what? Why don't you guys just both faint?
Wait, can I? Oh, actually, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Well, back.
Boys.
Nope. I'm gonna run up to the monster and then go, bam, like that.
Yeah.
Bam, like that.
He said run. He said run
Bam,
up to
like
it. Run up to
Pow, right in the kisser.
Run up to it.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm gonna use up all my stickies and I'm gonna die for the culture. For the culture.
I want a giant Safi Jiva bug. That's what I want. I want a bug.
Oh, that's lame. It's not even a long shelling. It's not a long shell or a wide. It's a normal. Fatalis, but it's strong as hell.
You can hear the monster stomp to the door.
Yep.
Hi. Oh, he's
I
yelling.
like the long shells.
You shut up.
Then wide. Oh, that got a Latron wide 7. That's probably broken. Oh, what's the name? Wide 7 too. With Blast. Raging Bracky? Oh nah, that's Raging Bracky better. than Latrions. But Latrion, it's pretty strong though. Oh yeah, clearly, yeah. And it just has higher raw by like 50 points.
Nice.
So whenever you do, like, you know what I'm saying, the non-explosives, you still, you know. Yeah, Bracky, yeah. But that Fatalis, man, that 897? That's ridiculous. Like for a gun lance, 800 something? Ooh, wee boy, they jumped out the park on now. Dang, Rajang, come on, man. You was that guy. So you know. Guess you gotta buy the Fatalis instead of a. Guess you gotta buy the Fatalis. Buy the Fatalis next. Strong L. Fatalis dual blades. They're okay. They're the great sword was smaller.
Alright. Gotta go back. Send me back. Oh man, come on. I'm trying to die on purpose.
Never.
Hit me! Hit me! No, I need more ammo.
Man, they don't even care about Lance.
No, they don't.
Lance gets nothing.
Oh, you dumb monster. You have one job. You have one job.
We're not letting it do its job.
No, look. Oh my god, I need some sticky ammo. For the love of all that's holy.
Does anybody have any
the
bombs?
sticky ammo. I am.
No,
Out of
kill
spite.
me.
Kill me. Hit me. Send me back. Let me in. Let me in.
What do you need for what's the best boost for insect glaive? It's speed and strength.
It's just speed, like straight up speed. Speed over anything else.
Straight speed.
So for your Kinsec bonus, go with the ones that say speed.
Go with the one
That's
that
what
has
I
the
meant, my
highest
bad.
speed. Yeah.
Kinsec bonus, speed.
Oh wait,
Okay.
the Kinsec stat or the Kinsec bonus? Because those are two different
The
things.
Kinsec bonus, my bad. That's what I meant.
That one I'm
For
not sure
the
on.
insect glaive.
Yeah. No, I know which weapon you mean.
Okay.
No, I'm not sure on that one. I want to say speed, but I'm not 100%.
Dude, I'm watching Maxima might disappear and reappear right before I hit the ground. Actually awesome.
But that'd be dumb though if I ever use. Knowing I got these real wings on my back, I don't need the insect glaive.
True. Yeah, you don't need the extra help.
Yeah, I mean, come on. Really? I've never even used this weapon before, like ever in the game. Got you. Well, I just don't get the weapon. It looks cool and all that, but it never seems to do a lot of damage. Unless you're on the ground.
The
I
gun
used it-
lance? Oh.
No,
Oh, the insect. The ground weapon.
yeah.
On the ground. Yeah.
There's some fights where, like, I remember Arc Tempers and Ojiva was very handy if you wanted to have an easier fight.
Mm-hmm.
Not as easy as Pierce 3.
But yeah, I don't want a handy weapon, you know. Like, it's handy.
Told you, you're almost there. No!
I cannot
literally-
believe I hate it. You can't stop me. Oh my god. You can't stop me. Oh my god, I hate you so much. Oh wait, I can burn to death.
We can't burn today.
I just want some ammo. Y'all are so mean. This sucks. This is not the type of game, alright? I'm sticking. It's not, you know what? Listen, I'm never bringing, I am never bringing sticky again. This is a sign I got it. Bullet Club was not for me. Oh, running out of ammo sucks. Let me try to like walk into his lanes. Get over here. You stupid. You know what? You did one job.
Dude, that's...
What are you doing? Bro, like you even trying? Like, do you want to live? Like, are you fighting for your life right now?
Hey, I have all this other ammo. It's a chance to be versatile.
You know, I have no problem with that. Like, I've done that before.
Oh.
Did you just eat that for me? I've done that before, but I just wanted to go back. You know what? Fine. At this rate,
No, this
30
is
bit.
not attacking you.
Super Mario
he
Bros.
literally is not. Like, he literally is not attacking.
Oh, no
It
way!
killed you
No
instead.
way.
Oh my god. I was trying to die, begging for death, and he said, nah, this one over here. How about that? That man needs to go.
Guilty.
He said that one. He said that one needs to go. He said that's unacceptable.
This is the perfect thing to
know-
close the night with.
Right. Right.
Like, okay, let's try and die here. But
I'm like, hit me, and he like jumps over me. It's like, oh,
He's like, no, you have the Talus armor! I'm scared!
I know you're not trying to die, but I'm still doing everything I can to like have him not kill you.
Oh my god, right, and then like dust powder while I walk into his blade. I mean,
You
at
could do
this
that.
point, you could do me a favor, buddy.
That was
That's
hilarious.
It's nuts. I've never seen that before. Like, just... Oh, I managed to sleep him again. Oh wow, y'all actually stopped. I was like, y'all actually stopped. No, you know, this.
No, not even for a second. This thing doesn't
Absolutely
deserve
not.
that sort of focus. Time, patience. It's not focus, it's patience.
Oh
This thing
boy,
doesn't deserve
with
patience.
damage. I sure miss doing lots of damage. You know, I sure would like to do a lot of damage.
A taste of damage, sir. This
Right.
a sliver.
But a crumb.
please.
But a crumb. Those like that little pierce shot at like 200 per bullet. I'm like, oh, that must be nice. Wish I could go back to that.
Hey, you know
No.
what? I used my
Could you have done normal
whole
shots?
ammo clip of Pierce 3.
You know what? Well, good for you. We can't all be model citizens. I'm not even a member of Bullet Club. I just go there.
Yeah, true. Free
I
of
just go
charge.
there and get some free
I know,
cheese,
right?
man.
Free of
I
charge.
use the machine
Fully
sometimes.
accepted.
You know, right? I
Fully
even pay-
accepted.
I
Fully
even pay for
loved.
membership. Yeah,
Yeah.
I pay for membership. Great
You got
community.
you if you got a jacket you can wear.
I know, right? Pay
I need to
jacket.
actually save that clip of you trying to die and me like stopping you.
No,
No.
no, no,
No,
no,
what would be better if I actually brought like heal bullets and started shooting you?
Oh my
Shooting
god, I
your
would be
health
in so much pain. I just wanted to go back. I wanted to go back. Tio, how are you missing with these slow rolls? I'm rolling at like old man speed. Like, hold on, wait a second.
You know what? I
Time
don't
out.
need this shit. I don't need this shit right now.
But what you do need is this single research ticket. I got one.
Single.